Your kitchen should be where you cook meals with friends and family. It's where traditions are upheld and memories are made. And those memories shouldn't be tainted by foodborne illnesses. Almost 1 in 10 people around the world will get sick from contaminated food, and according to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, kitchen bacteria can easily spread through the use of common kitchen utensils. All it takes is one time. If you forget just once to thoroughly clean a utensil, then any bacteria that may be hitching a ride will find its way onto someone's plate. In order for a dishwasher to kill the majority of bacteria on your kitchenware, the water must reach temperatures of 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius with the addition of detergents that contain chlorine bleach. This harsh treatment shortens the lifespan of your kitchen items, and those harsh chemicals aren't good for you either. For utensils with wooden handles, such as knives, hand washing is the only option, and this can often leave bacteria behind. If your knife still has germs on it when it's stored, your knife block becomes a breeding ground for bacteria. To fight this, industrial kitchens and high-end hotels use specialized knife sterilizers to ensure their tools meet the highest hygiene standards. And now you can too! Viabella's commitment to cleanliness inspired us to design a storage unit with all the power of an industrial sterilizer, but in an efficient, compact body suitable for any kitchen. At first glance, it functions as a sleek knife block perfect for cutlery storage. But it's so much more than just storage. Inside its compact body, UV light technology sanitizes microbes, viruses, and bacteria while a fan combats any moisture that could lead to rust or mildew. This allows it to kill 99.9% of germs without the use of harsh cleaners and chemicals. Slots of varying sizes are suitable for multiple utensils, from knives and spoons to forks and scissors. As a bonus, a small compartment on the side contains a knife sharpener. So not only will you be able to sanitize your knives, you can maintain them and extend their usefulness for years to come. Viabella's is committed to cleaner kitchens. That's why we created the stylish, compact UV knife sterilizer, so you can forget about bacteria and focus on making memories.